Hi there, today I'm going to be reviewing this Vastar tripod smartphone adapter so that I can mount my smartphone to my tripods here. As you can see, this is a camera tripod. It doesn't have a smartphone adapter. This one has a smartphone adapter, but it is broken. So that's the original reason I started looking into tripods. Then I thought, oh, you know what? They have these adapters. I'm going to try this instead. So let's take a close look at this adapter. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. And you've got your tripod adapter and your very basic instructions. Okay, and this right here, as I understand, you can loosen here and you get a full 360. You can tighten it up like this here, so it will hold in the position that you have it in, no matter what that is. Let's see what phones will fit inside. So the opening here can be as small as 58 millimeters or 2.28 inches, or it can open to be as wide as 101 millimeters or 3.98 inches. So it gives you a pretty broad range of types of phones that you can fit in there, and you can see it's going to be wider than it needs to be for most phones. But let's go ahead and start with the bigger phone. This is an iPhone 11, and so you can see that it fits perfectly onto this bigger phone. We can go ahead and loosen this here so we can have the phone mounted to your tripod here and swivel it around like this, so you could have it as a TikTok style video or as a full frame style video. And of course you just tighten it up here, and now it's going to stay in the position you want it to be in. You also have an additional mount here, so you could potentially mount it like this and then either screw it in right here or flip this down, and then you can move this up and then just tighten the back again to make it nice and stable. Yeah, so far it's pretty nice the way it's versatile. I also just want to point out that it does have rubber in here, so it kind of keeps the phone from slipping. You can kind of see up close there on both sides, and it's also got this little bit of a hook here, so it kind of holds your phone a little bit more securely. Now we're putting the iPhone 6s in here. We've got it in the mount position for TikTok style videos and full screen style videos, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see how this fits onto the tripods now. So now we'll go ahead and just mount it onto each of our tripods and see how it works. And so we're just screwing it up from the bottom. You can see I have this mobility here with my tripod, and I can bring it up and down, so I'm liking the way it mounts. I'll go ahead and loosen this back here, and yeah, you can see it works perfect on this one. And so let's go ahead and switch it to the other one. We'll just loosen up this on the old tripod and tighten it up on here. Now let's go ahead and mount that. We can swivel it to this side too and tighten it up. Looks like it works really good. So instead of buying a whole new tripod, you could just buy this adapter for your smartphone and you're set to go. And I really like this. It works well. It allows your phone to move in multiple directions, and I think it's going to be a good tool to have around. So I hope you enjoyed my review of this Vastar smartphone tripod adapter for multiple sizes of phones. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching.